Hi, my love, beautiful souls. It's Mysticals, 11, love it. I'm back with you, bringing dark into light. Okay, we're just going to jump into this. Holy Spirit, angels, instant head for light, the most high. Please be correct and creating for the collective. What's going on here? What's going on with the collective? What's going on? Fake passports, fake IDs. I'm talking about plane traveling, okay? Somebody has fake ID, fake passports, okay? Fake identities. Disguising themselves. Trying to get away. Manipulating, genetic manipulation. CIA and the FBI. Okay, we have a good cop turning dirty coming out here. This cop could always been dirty and just played off as good cop. Robbery gone bad. Prostitution. Okay, I'm just pulling these cards out and I'll channel more afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna get these cards out and we'll go through that. Okay, what else do we need to know, Spirit? Terrorism. Is some kind of terroristic attack? Okay, that's what CIA and FBI is out here, coming out here. Okay, what else? Come on. Unknown suspect. Okay, somebody doesn't know who this terrorist is. Okay, the FBI, CIA doesn't know who this terrorist is. I'm hearing terrorism group. We have undercover cop and then feds coming out involved. Let's take a little more here. Kidnapping. Somebody didn't realize that they are associated with a terrorist, okay? Somebody didn't realize that they're associated with some bad people. And SWAT is ready to take this person out. Okay, SWAT's ready to break down doors. Coming in, gunshots. There was investors involved as well. Somebody didn't know what they were getting themselves into, okay? That's what I just heard. Somebody didn't know what they were getting themselves into, okay? What they were associated with, okay? They didn't know how deep this ran, okay? How corrupt this ran. Cavalry calling them in, okay? Calling in on backup. Black Ops. Secret mission, military government conceals deities, denies involvement. So, yeah, they denied involvement, okay? So, we have the government denying involvement with this Black Ops. Mass shooting. Okay, it's like kind of how, like, somebody didn't realize how deep the rabbit hole went. Okay, somebody didn't realize how deep they got themselves into, okay? Associating with people, okay? Associating with bad guys, criminals, okay? Terrorists. Somebody did not realize that they were associated with terrorists. They're part of a terrorism group. Kidnapping. Several things happening here at once. Feds involved. DAs involved. Keeping secrets from partner. Things happening on the black market. Blood money. Terrorist organization. Okay, that's what I just heard. How far the well ran. Deep the water ran. Human life that are a violation of criminal laws in the United States, okay? The unlawful use of violence or threats to intimidate or coerce a civilian population or government which a global goal for featuring politics, social, and ideological objectives. Okay, terrorism is use of violence or threat violence. Okay, that's why I was reading it, because I want to make sure. Someone used very violent, okay, people? Okay, yep. Oh, I didn't realize this, okay? I didn't realize this, okay? This came out. What are 5 common types of terrorism? Kidnappings, hijacking, bomb scares. Oh my god, I did see dirty bomb, and I didn't take it. And I said nuclear. Oh my gosh. You guys, it was the beginning of the reading, and I didn't take it. You might be able to go back into it, but I didn't take it because, okay, I'm like fake passwords, nuclear, and dirty bomb, and I didn't realize it was like this terrorism coming out right here. That's what it's saying. 5 common types of terrorism: nuclear, kidnapping, bombs, chemicals, criminal, psychic, war, and political. Terrorism differs from okay. Domestic terrorism or international terrorism. Okay, CIA came out, so I'm hearing it's domestic and international, so there could be both one coming out here. Okay, guys. Oh, it was coming. If you go back to it, you probably see I put it back in the deck right away. I'm like, oh no, that's not gonna. It's not gonna be for this reading, and sure shit it is. It sure is. So, somebody didn't realize they're associated with the terrorist group. Okay. This isn't gonna be long, because I feel like this does not have a big message, you guys. I usually don't. It's not gonna be. That's not gonna be a lot of people associating with that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that doesn't happen a lot. Okay, it does happen, but not a lot. Okay, it's time's up for this terrorist. They're going to jail, prison. So whoever's involved in this terrorism attack, okay, is going to. It's time's up. Going to jail. It's being stopped by the FBI, and not just by the FBI. It's being stopped by God. Okay, by the Most High, because they're a cop killer. So there's a terrorist that could be going to jail, actually prison, federal prison, for killing a cop. And you didn't realize how far this went, like how deep this was, okay? How you were associated with, somebody was associated with this. Somebody didn't realize they're dating a terrorist. Is it terrorist? So you could be in a relationship that you did not realize that you were dating somebody that was actually a terrorist. Part of an organization, okay? You didn't realize that. Okay, trying to prevent this, stop this from happening. Bailsman wants their money. Bail's bondsman wants their money. Somebody got bailed out. This bondsman wants their money now. See, somebody's a transporter. They could be transporting these bombs. Okay, kidnapping, all that stuff. Transporting. We have supernatural coming out. Bringing evidence to the authorities. Somebody may have some evidence to bring to the authorities up with this terrorist. Is that how I'm saying it right, you guys? I feel like I'm saying it wrong. Terrorism. Bringing evidence to authorities. Somebody has some kind of evidence about this terrorist, okay? They're bringing it to the feds. They're bringing somebody that's a psychopath, okay? Coming to get them. NSA knows it as well. They see something. They know something. This person has a felony charge. Watch your back. It's going down. Leaked documents. This terrorist was trespassing. Conspiracy charges. Controlled by the devil. I don't know if I even like this, like, it's coming out though. Somebody need to hear that message, so we'll see. There's some kind of secret weapon. Somebody's being blackmailed, okay? Somebody could be blackmailed and didn't realize they're being blackmailed by a terrorist. Somebody didn't realize they're being blackmailed by a terrorist, okay? Or they did realize that this terrorist is blackmailing someone, okay? Blackmailing you or your person. Holding for ransom, kidnapping. You could be their secret weapon that they're holding against. Like, I'm hearing you could be a secret weapon. Powerful weapon that they're trying to, you know, keep away. Something's missing. Look at collapsing. Okay, so a bomb could be going off. Okay, terrorist attack. Okay, something about another terrorist attack. Just keep hearing bomb attack now. Surveillance camera. Law enforcement. Corruption. Something about a caregiver. So this could be a nurse. Okay, a nursing home, assisted living. A hospital. So this could be happening in a hospital. Wow. You know, Mayo Clinic has like, oh my gosh. Okay. Mayo Clinic, okay. I just heard Mayo Clinic, terrorist, like, I wonder if they have really good security there, because I don't think, I've never seen, like, they've been trained, been trained for Mayo Clinic, because I lived in Rochester my whole life. They have to be trained on that. They have to be trained. Just like the Mall of America, they have to have bomb squad, they have to be trained, the cops have to be trained for that, just in case it ever happens. Hasn't people said it before that they're like something about the Mayo Clinics be wow. Guys, I'm just trying to breathe because what I just heard is what I heard. I just heard that Mayo Clinics be attacked. Okay, I just heard that. I literally just heard that. Okay, there's gonna be a terrorism attack, and I don't want to say that because I'm not far from Mayo Clinic. Okay, I don't live in Rochester anymore, but that's where like I've been to the clinic. They actually, I've had to go to the clinic. My mom went there for cancer, and I just heard that. Okay, and it's probably talked about before, and maybe that's what I'm hearing in like in the ethers about this. That there's been so much talk about this, and maybe there's corrupt people that are talking about this, but that's what I just heard because I just saw the collapse, and I just saw caregiver, and I just heard, you know, I mean, like hospital, and then I was hearing about bomb squads. I heard Mall of America too, so you know, big things that's what, like, you know what I mean, like, and I want to say that because aliens, but sometimes you can't stop these premonitions, you can't stop hearing what you're hearing, okay, and seeing and feeling. Okay, encounter with aliens. Could be a school. A bomb, school. I'm not trying to spread fear, you guys, okay? I know, like, this is to bring awareness, okay? This is to bring awareness, okay? Don't live in fear. Yeah, there are sirens outside. You hear? Sirens are going off. Alarms are going off. Prepping for this. It's getting louder. When I heard this, the reason I paused is because with spirit, when I hear things, we're supposed to be communicating with you. But it's like, do I really want to put that out there? Because if I put that out there, like, but then, like, look at the sirens went off. And Spirit's like, no, I'm telling you stuff. Like, you're hearing this stuff. You need to be putting this stuff out there. Because, like, I doubt myself. Then that's where I get, like, something about trying to make me doubt myself for a minute there. But I heard that. Like, where would it come from? It's because I heard it in the ethers, you know, from the Most High, Spirit. They're going to have to clean up. Okay, clean up. Why I guess it took me a minute to pause too is when we have these premonitions or when we hear these things, like anyone that prophesies something, they prophesize that something that's bad's gonna happen in the world. It really sucks because like you see that, you know that, and it's gonna happen. I don't know how to explain it much more. Like it's if you're somebody that prophesies something, or if you're somebody that has premonitions, or you're psychic and you've experienced what I experienced, it's struggling and difficult because sometimes when you know, like when it comes to light like that, it's like you want to bring awareness and prevent that, but it's like there's sometimes you can't prevent everything. It's hard to even explain sometimes. I don't even know. Like the reason I said I don't even know is like You don't, okay, the reason I said that, like, I don't want this stuff to happen. Okay, so when I'm hearing this stuff and I'm visualizing this, like I'm seeing this and that premonition, I don't want this stuff to happen. But it's going to happen. And then, like, people want to shoot the messenger. Get up here and start bashing the messenger and talking shit to the messenger and stuff. And, like, we're just a messenger. Like, blaming the messenger. I'm just a messenger. But then you want to bash the messenger. Okay, this could be involved. Okay, I'm gonna send another ring. I have to clear out, like, the energies coming through. A lot of dark, heavy energy, okay? What I'm feeling, what I'm hearing right now is, like, this world has been so dark and so evil for so long. And it's so dirty that Gaia really needs to cleanse and change, and we really need to come together as one and make that difference. Because there's been so much darkness, and yes, light always overpowers, light always wins. But we have to change that mindset and start believing that this world can be a beautiful world, a loving world, without terrorist attacks, without nuclear bombs, without war. I just heard World War Z. Okay, the World War Z is a movie. You know, we don't need World War III. Like, rage or extreme anger was motive. This crime will be solved in the distant future. And then forensic science field will provide important clues. And then the cell phone records. Something about a bomb could be on a cell phone, okay? Triggering it. The cell phone. Okay, there could be a cell phone bomb. Okay, whatever's happening, it could be a cell phone bomb. Somebody could be behind bars, behind all this, okay? This could be, wow, confirmation. This could be happening. There could be a terrorist attack at a prison facility as well, or a jail facility. Trying to get somebody out. Trying to get somebody to escape. See how I just totally changed, like, different, like, that's what I'm trying to say, like, these messages come in, because then I saw this, and then I'm like, okay, so a caregiver hospital, they could be trying to attack to get an inmate out, or an inmate be behind this as well. Or there could be a terrorism group in prison as well. Oh my gosh. I don't even... Sometimes I don't even know what to tell, because, like, this stuff, it makes me sick to my stomach. That's why, like, I'm like this. Like, it makes me sick to my stomach. This really should really happens, and it does happen, and people are really like that, and there are a lot of people that are dark and evil and corrupt, and it's just, like, it saddens me, too, to see what this world has been for so long, and what people do. Okay, let's close this out. Disconnection. Okay, the world's disconnected. So much disconnection. We need to come together and connect. Okay, come together. Help one another out. Reset. We need a big reset. Okay, this planet needs a reset. Okay, I'm one of the people. This planet needs a big reset. This Great Awakening, like, this planet needs a big reset. Okay, well, Spirit. Okay, we have 4, 4, 4. Connection with angels, trust, guidance. They are giving you stability, structure, foundation, grounding, protection, spirituality. Okay, 1414. Somebody always lives in fear too, okay? Somebody's always fear-based, okay? Always thinking the worst of everything, okay? Time to build a solid foundation for your future endeavors. Time to take action, focus, desires, and needs, and fulfillment, and spiritual growth. 433. Powerful message to let go of all negative energies in your life. Welcome positive. Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Scorpio, and number 10. I love you guys. Love, peace, light, heal, namaste.